material activities and spiritual activities. The bhakti is the highest spiritual activity. And mundane activities are material activities. What is the result of material activities? Everybody becomes responsible to the reactions of his actions. Whether it's good or bad, both actions tie one down to the material nature. So that is the problem with this mundane activities. Even good activities will tie us down to the material nature. Because good activities will give us the good result and we have to enjoy it. There's no way out. Of course, people don't mind when it is of enjoyment, but still it is a bondage. So we have two considerations, mundane activities and spiritual activities. The mundane activities will come to an end, and mundane activities will become boring at some point. But that will not be the case with spiritual activity. Because this relationship with Krishna has a newer and newer enjoyment.